please note that the InstantPQ Chrome extension is exclusively available to users with a mortgage account created by Bluecastle Lending. This means that you have applied for a mortgage, we've run your credit, we verify the documents, and your loan is already pre-approved. Once your loan is pre-approved, we design the portal for you, and that is when you can use this extension, so all the payments you are about to see apply to you, your loan type, your situation, and for the property that you are viewing. You need to be aware that this extension is designed to use on your Mac or PC, and it's not compatible with mobile devices yet. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to install the InstantPQ Chrome extension. Essentially, you open a new window in Google Chrome and search in the address bar, enter Chrome Web Store. You click on it, and there in the search box right here, you're going to type in the name of our software, which is InstantPQ. The extension will come up. You look at it. You'll confirm this is coming from Bluecastle. And essentially, the extension will inform you of the actual monthly payment and total out-of-pocket you're going to need to buy any property you are seeing in Zillow or Realtor.com. It also works on Matrix and Flex MLS for realtors. You click on Add to Chrome. Once the extension is added, then you can go to Zillow or Realtor.com. When you look at a property, the Bluecastle logo appears right here in the middle of the screen. If you click Mortgage and Cash Quote, it will tell you how much the monthly payment is for this house and how much money you need to buy the house according to the loan types that you qualify. For this borrower, for example, we presented 4 loan options: 20% down, principal and interest, 20% down, interest only, 30% down, or 30% down, interest only on a no income verification loan designed for investors. So the payments, you can sort. The lease payment is $49.76, but the cash you need to buy this house is $248,000. Now, this payment includes everything, and so is this cash close. I always tell our clients, to this number, add on $1,500, give or take, and you will never be wrong. It will not exceed that. So round it up, add on $1,500. These are the exact numbers that we have. But if the property has flood insurance or other unforeseen things that are related to one specific property, those numbers may change. 95% of the time, it will be within $1,500 of this, plus or minus. If you want to know more details, you click on View, and it will tell you what's included. Like in this case, it even includes the homeowners association, because there is one, and this is the total monthly payment. Because this borrower is putting 30% down, they don't have mortgage insurance, so there is no mortgage insurance included in the payment, and this is an interest only in this particular, for this particular borrower, for this particular scenario. So if you see this other option, for example, that's principal and interest. So right there, you'll see principal and interest. So these are the options that you will have, and the cash close that you will have. Now on Realtor.com works the same way. The only difference is that on Realtor.com you're going to have to scroll down to almost the bottom of the page for this window to read the information, and it's going to do the exact same thing. You're going to know whether or not it's read the information, because here you have everything populated of the information that the software is reading. So if that wasn't the case, let's pick another property, say this house. Okay, see here in Realtor.com you don't have the values yet. You need to scroll down. On Zillow you can do it, but on Realtor.com you have to scroll down for the payments for this to load. Hope you find this information helpful, and that you realize your home ownership dream. Thank you for watching.